travel on the web of ways that keep me in a haze, is ricocheting round and round, that the world is gonna win, and the only question's when. Everybody's hurting, everybody's bleeding, if they believe the news or not. And our leaders should be leading, too good at deceiving us to think we can choose or not, to see the world is gonna win. Maybe God will save them then. I see the light, it's shining on too. I see the light, it's burning bright, it's telling us to move. I see the light, it's shining on too. I see the light, it's burning bright, it's telling us to move. To move. Every day I try harder just to make things better, do what little I can do. Sticking to my guts, not listen to the trump cards that play themselves out, obscuring our view, because the world is gonna win. And the only question's when. Well, I choose to ignore what's written in the stars. I choose to ignore the silence in your